Hello, and welcome to Blackshore Elementary School's second grade Title I night presentation. Today we're going to be talking about all the different things that happen in second grade. First, let's meet the teachers. On Team A, we have Miss Carey and Miss Clements. On Team B, we have Miss Sizemore and Mrs. Murray. On Team C, we have Mr. Dennis and Mrs. McCoy. Their email addresses are underneath their pictures for your convenience. Things you need to know about second grade. Newsletters are sent home every Monday. Use this information to find out what your child is learning weekly. Graded papers are returned weekly in your child's Wednesday folder. Look for them on Wednesdays.
Now let's discuss what your child will be learning in each of our subjects. In math, your child will learn about place value, fluency with addition and subtraction, standard and metric units of measurement, describing and analyzing shapes, both 2D and 3D, fraction concepts, word problems, time, money, analyzing data and graphs, and yes, we'll be beginning multiplication and division. In ELA, your child will learn about story elements, fiction and nonfiction reading, reading for understanding, fluency, writing with persuasive, informative, and narrative, grammar elements, and phonics. This year, we'll also be taking several assessments. In math, we have the benchmark test, which we call the MAP test. That is taken 3 times a year at the beginning, middle, and at the end. We have the STAR math test. Your child should score a 476 by the end of the school year. We have Fact Fluency Fridays. Those are just a time test over basic facts. We have our topic quizzes, and we have module tests. In ELA, we have, of course, again, the benchmark tests. We have a reading inventory, which we call an RI. Your child should score between 420 to 650 by the end of the year. We have phonics tests, spelling tests, and the reading comprehension tests.
For technology, we are fortunate enough to have Chromebooks for every student. We also use Google Classroom, Clever, Living Tree for communication, Reflex Math, Prodigy, Zearn, Education Galaxy, Epic, and Accelerated Reader. If you're concerned or want to know some more about your child's progress, you can go to Infinite Campus. That will tell you their grades, and you can also check on absences and tardies. Living Tree is a great tool for communication with parents if you need to directly contact your child's teacher. You'll also receive progress reports every 4.5 weeks and report cards every 9 weeks. And you can schedule conferences with your child's teacher anytime, virtually or by phone. We have some great parent resources too. We have a parent resource room where you can check out materials. There's a parent portal on the website with a lot of different resources. Living Tree, of course, and there is a parent involvement coordinator, Miss Angie Meadows, and her email is below. Thank you so much for coming to our Title I night.